is Toddy, a 13-year-old neutered male toy poodle. Physical exam has got a body condition score of 8 out of 9. Temp 102, pulse 56, respiratory rate of 24. His cough is described as a progressive or a crescendo paroxysmal non-productive cough with frequent post-tussive retching. Dr. Carter, you are on the clock. Dr. Allman, you are on the clock. Give you guys a minute to catch your breath. Get some blood flow back to your heads.
Always put your Walkman.
Part of the game. All right. Since he's going to have him out, we'll wait for him to come back unless he's already been ready for it.